Somebody's asked for a lesson on the tune Ela Pulim Asa Makra. It's a tune which the title is Come My Darling to a Faraway Place, and with the lyrics I think it refers to a man asking a woman, or a woman asking a man to come elope with him. Here I think he's overseas. So anyway, it's a love song. It's a very nice tune, so I'll quickly tune my instrument. I haven't got a tuner, so this is the tuning of my instrument. The zil, the middle and the gapan. Middle and gapan. So I'll quickly go through the tune. So starts again. I'll just do a very, very basic, no trembles, very basic lesson. So at least whoever's person that's asking can do the basic. If you want a more detailed one, let me know. Starting with the forward bow movement and playing the gapan chord, only the gapan chord, and only playing the gapan chord with the bow. So forward. And then we're going to swivel and play without any fingers, play the gapan in the middle chord. So that's a single chord, and then we swivel over and playing with the bow the two. So finishing forward with the bow. And then we're going to do the same thing, but the second finger is going to be on the two chords, so it's going to be the gapan in the middle. So then we're going to drop the second finger on the two chords. So and then swivel over to the zil side. So basically we're going to move over to the zil side. So forward, and then drop the second on the two chords, swivel over the other side. So that's the first bit. The second bit, so I'll quickly do that again. So starting forward again, and we're just going to first bow movement is on the zil side. You can either play just the zil or the zil in the middle. Whatever you feel is more colourful, probably the two is better. Drop the first finger on the zil and then lift it. Playing twice, and then we're going to swivel over. On the gapan side, drop the second finger on the two chords. Swivel over to the zil side. Drop the first finger this time. So it's basically doing that, swiveling, coming back and finishing on the first finger. And you can just lift it up at the last minute, or you can just finish. You can either finish like that, or whatever you prefer. So that's the second bit. I'll quickly do it again. And you do that twice. From the start again, you do it twice. and then it's whoops. So it's starting again on the gapan side with 2 fingers on the middle and the gapan chord. No fingers. Whoops. The last bit we're just going to swivel over to the gapan side only. And then we're going to do it again. I don't need to explain that bit, so it's that's all the same as the previous bit. So you just basically they're all double chorded steppings of the finger and swivels over the other side with no fingers. So I don't think I really need to explain that. You can just follow it as you're going. The only difference is, and you do it twice as well. And then you start again from the start. So if you break it down, it's actually quite simple. There aren't really that many. You're not using the fourth. You're not using the third. So it's a lot of basically the first 2 fingers on the 2 chords, swiveling over, dropping the first finger, and a gapan. That's really there's only like 4 or 5 finger movements or placements. So I'll do it again. Sorry, I messed that up. But anyway, whoops, I've dropped my bow as well. I think that should give you just a quick, brief introduction to it. If anybody wants anything added to it, like the trembles, just let me know. Hope that helps.